Assalamualaikum. We are now along Juchat Road. Okay, this time we are going to East Coast Park, but using the Juchat Road. It's nearer from my home, about 2 kilometers away. We start from the end of Juchat all the way to the other end, where we'll link up with Marine Parade, and then we'll go the under tunnel or the underpass to East Coast Park. Okay, so we are now along Marine Drive. We came from Juchat Road over there, so we are going to that flat over there. Just behind the flat is the underpass. Okay, so this is the underpass. As usual, you got to give way to pedestrians and no motorcycles allowed. Okay, at the back here is the expressway. The other side is going to Changi Airport, and the other side is going to Tuas. So this is the flat. The underpass is just located behind this block 79, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so we have arrived East Coast Park. Okay, so we are now at East Coast Park. We are going to the eastern part of East Coast Park. So eastern is the way to Changi Village, but no, we are not going to Changi Village today. We just want to explore the eastern side of East Coast Park. Okay, so after some 50 meters away from the underpass, you will meet this place. It is called the Marine Cove. It serves food and drinks here. There's also a big playground here. Okay, if you remember this place, I came the other time with the track FX via that overhead bridge over there, but this time around I came from the underpass over the other side, and today we are going to venture East Coast Park Eastbound. Okay, one thing good about East Coast Park is that there are plenty of shops or amenities around here. So if you are thirsty or hungry, there's always 7-Eleven. We got a restaurant here, a cafe here, and also a bicycle shop if you suddenly want to buy one instead of renting one. So the bike shop is over there. KH Cycle, it brings in the Scott bicycles. They also have the water sports activities, but I'm not sure if these are for rental. Anyway, the most interesting part is this. This is the East Coast Lagoon Food Center. It's always packed in the evenings and in the weekends, of course. And that is the Bedok Jetty. Okay, so this is the Bedok Jetty. Okay, alright, let's go. Okay, so that's the Bedok Jetty. I believe we are somewhere 70 to 80% to cover the eastern part of East Coast Park. For now, let's take a break. Okay, so we are almost at the end of East Coast Park, eastbound. I think in less than a kilometer over there will lead us to the borderline of East Coast Park and Changi Coastal Road. Okay, so we have arrived at the borderline of East Coast Park and Changi Coastal Road. So over here is East Coast Park and the other side is Changi Coastal Road. So we are on a bridge separating these two, Changi and East Coast. Okay, it's getting late. I think it's time to go. So I hope you enjoyed this trip so far, and thanks for watching.